Follow every single word to stay alive. This note is your lifeline. Got it? First thing, lock the big door and the bathroom door so no creature can get in. Use newspapers to cover all the windows. Block that light like your life depends on it, because it does. I have left a red doll for you. Keep it close. Don't let it wander away from you. Remember to look around for anything blue or white. Trash them now. If they're big, get them in the bathroom. You have to remember to knock on the bathroom door before you open it. Then, only then, turn on the light. Don't open the door right away. If you spot a dark shape,